Namaste
Namaste.
to dear teachers, esteemed parents, uncles and aunts, and my dear friends. Today, I, Viva Dave, the head girl of Anandalaya,
And I, Yashvardhan Maharana, the head boy of Anandalaya.
we want to talk to you all about a topic that is not just important but essential: blood donation. Now, we would have often heard about it in the news or during health drives, but it is something we frequently take for granted until, of course, an emergency strikes. Blood is an irreplaceable resource, and its importance in our healthcare system cannot be overstated. Every day, countless patients rely on blood donation for their survival. Be it a child battling leukemia or a mother giving birth, the demand for blood is constant. It's a life saving necessity that we tend to overlook in our daily lives. We do not often think about blood until we are faced with a crisis, and it is during these emergencies that we realize just how crucial it is to have a steady supply of blood available. But why wait for an emergency? The reality is that blood donation should be made a regular part of our life, just like the other acts of kindness and community services. Now, I want to emphasize what your actions as parents can have on the next generation. When I see my parents and the other elders in my life participating in blood donation, it sends a powerful message. It teaches me that blood donation is not just a choice, but it's a responsibility we all share. Now, I know some may have fears or misconceptions related to blood donation. Some may worry about the not knowing about the process enough. However, I assure you the discomfort is very minimal compared to the impact that it can have. Every blood donation can save up to 3 lives. Just think about that for a moment. That 1 hour of your time can make a difference for multiple families.
So now we know what blood donation is and why is it so important. So what can we do? Obviously, we can donate blood. And to contribute to this noble cause, Anandale is organizing a blood donation camp on 31st August, which means this Saturday. We would really appreciate the fact that parents can come over and donate their bloods so that we can be a part of a bigger cause. The blood donation camp is being organized from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. We request you to mark your calendar and please come over Anandale to donate your bloods. In conclusion, I would like to say, together
Together,
we
we
make
make
this
this
world
world
a
a
better
better
place
place
to
to
live.
live.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.